the tide go out, it go out to the Gulf of Paria. When the tide come in, it come in from the Gulf of Paria. The tide goes by 3 feet, it rise 3 feet, drop 3 feet. 2 times a day we have a high tide and a low tide. The main channel that we kayak in, that's channel number 9. The next 8 channels go down to the south side. All those channels are actually man-made from the highway, come down about a mile in. They made those channels to drain out the fresh water from the mountain, from different streams. If you look, you'll see decorated by itself then. So every evening these boats start coming this island from approximately 5:30, 6. They'll leave this island approximately 5:30, 6 in the morning. When they leave this island, they go out and they feed whole day. What they feed on is the fiddler crab, marine worms, small shrimps and fish. What they feed on is to get a color. They normally lay 2 to 3 eggs, which is brown with grey marking. They take 26 days for incubation. Look in front of the big sucker skull that is coming there. See that? Within 6 to 9 weeks within 6 to 9 weeks they get grayish brown with a slight pink, and they take 2 to 3 years to get a full scarlet color. The lifespan of a scarlet ibis is 18 to 25 years. Population scarlet ibis we have in here is well over 20,000. These birds have 2 predators. Number 1, human. Number 2, there's a bird called the peregrine falcon, which is the fastest bird alive. We don't have a peregrine falcon in here. They only come here winter time. When they come in here, they target the scarlet ibis, coming down 150 miles per hour, hitting the scarlet ibis behind the head and feeding them after. The next predator, human. Long ago, humans to hunt these birds for the feathers to make costumes for the carnival time. Now they don't do that anymore. Now they hunt them for the flesh. Remember, these birds are totally protected. They cannot hunt these birds. There's a penalty for these birds, which is 100,000 and 3 in prison. The reason why the scarlet ibis choose this island, if you look right around this island, is a mud bank. So they feel protected going on this island, and also they land right around the island on the low tide, and then they feed and go and rest on the island. The scarlet ibis remain outside. The reason why they remain outside, they feel protected, looking around for the predator. The entire bird are red, except the tip of the wing. There's 2 other islands like this. This is the easiest one for to get to. Other places you'll see these birds are Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela. Easiest place to see it is right here in Trinidad. We just 20 minutes of the highway. Also, if these birds keep in captivity, they lose their color. You all ever go to the zoo and actually see these birds pink? They feel depressed when they're in captivity and they lose their color. It could be 2 reasons. They feel depressed because they're not in natural habitat and they lose their color, or they don't get enough of the diet.